Hey friends, if you wish to fix camera app error 0xa00f4240, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the camera troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, click on other troubleshooters, okay, and then click on run corresponding to the camera troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the camera drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list of camera drivers. Right click on the active webcam driver and then select Update Driver. Okay. The next solution is to repair and reset the camera app. Now, the issue will obviously be with the camera app. So what can you do? Reset, repair it, and okay, I'll add one more, reinstall it. Though it's not required, but still. Search for camera in the Windows search bar and click on app settings. Now in the app settings window, scroll down and terminate the camera app. Then click on repair to repair it. Wait till you get a tick mark here. Click on reset and then on reset once again and wait till you get a tick mark here. And finally click on uninstall and then on uninstall once again to let it uninstall. Once it uninstalls completely, then open the Microsoft Store and search for the camera app here and then click on Windows Camera and then finally click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.